always surviving Mama. I'm Dr. Atul Choksi, brother of Maya and Mehul Shah. Don't get confused. But I personally I have no great reverence for laws. The laws are for people who live at the body consciousness level or at worldly consciousness. I have elected to live it at a love consciousness. And there the laws are very little required or no need for laws. There it is all giving and all love. So I deleted word law from my head and heart and speech. So therefore, Maya instead of my sister-in-law and Mehul instead of my brother-in-law will become my brother and sister. So this is the explanation. So we are very fortunate to have such a good family, and today I am in a position of a great advantage because my daughter is MC, my sister is the organizer, and in the audience I have all my friends and dear ones. Mehul's friends are my friends by default. So not for half, many of them, I know them very well and very for long time. So I have really great advantage. About Maba, I can say a lot of things. She's so calm, so quiet, so peaceful. There is so much to learn from her, just observing her life and the way she conducts it. We all dearly love life. That's how we are designed. We want to love life and scared of death. That's the first dvanda, the pair of opposite. The first pair of opposite the human being is born with is love for life and hate for death. Then comes happiness and sorrow and respect, honor and dishonor, and all those things come later on. And that's how the ego is created in our intellect, that ego takes on the charge that I have to protect myself. I'm all alone in the world. And that's why the ego starts up to the world. So, if we love on the principle of giving and love, which our scriptures describe, every human being wants to live as long as possible. So, our scriptures advise. So, Gurnehi Karmani, the highest scripture, our Isopnisad recommends, Gurnehi Karmani Chichi Viset Sapam Sama. Oh man, if you want to be desirous of living 100 years, do the right work as ordained in the scriptures. Gurnehi Karmani Chichi Viset Sapam Sama. For 100 years if you want to live, that is the life, better expectancy known to us for many, many centuries. But it puts a condition that whatever is ordained in the scriptures we do, we will be 100 years. So Maba is our practical demonstration of whatever is required and taught in the scriptures. Though she never claims to be a spiritual giant, but her life, which is more important, the practical demonstration is that of whatever is stated in the scripture. So Maba is like our Puranas. Puranas are defined as Pura, Api, Nava, Iti Purana. Though ancient, but like brand new, that is Purana. Pura, Api, Nava, Iti Purana. So Maba, though aging, never gets old. And she has such a understanding and love for life and service to people around her. Look at how many people are there. So many people are the beneficiary of her love and wisdom. So Naresh Bhai, Maya, they we are lifelong beneficiary of Baba's kindness, services, gentleness and love. And we three, Vandana, Krishna, myself, we are beneficiary for more than 3 decades. If you open our closets, they are all full of hand-knit sweaters and everything. Done by Mama. So made by Mama. So especially Krishna's, all the costumes as a winter coats are made by Mama. So thus she gives the love to so many people. There are so many qualities of Mama that we would like to have or to copy. The first of all, the greatest quality is she is a non-complainer. She would never complain. In 30 years or more, I never heard Mapa complaining about anything. She is fine indoors. She is fine outdoors. She is fine alone. She is fine in company. She is fine in a small house. She is fine in a big house. Never ever I heard complaining at all. So that is the secret number 1. The second is that she is a giver, like I mentioned. She likes to give. And when somebody is like that, laws are not required. Laws are when you are grabber. She is a giver, she is not a grabber. She gives unconditionally to everyone, not only Mehul, Maya and the near. And look at this, so many friends of Mehul and Maya for decades. That's why they are here from far and wide to attend and congratulate and celebrate this choice. So she is a giver. I understand that she has been, since her youth, she was cooking and feeding warm meals not only to Mehul and Maya, but to their friends in the medical school. So this is the manifestation of love, and that we see the people coming from far to honor her. So the third thing is that she is extremely talented, very talented, and so she doesn't waste time at all. And she is excellent in embroidery and knitting, and she is an award winner. She is an award winner from the state of New Jersey. She has 3 awards, and then she stopped competing because Maya says if you compete, nobody else can win. So talented, and not only talented, she wants to distribute that art and give it. So she has the students who would come in the afternoon and learn from her the knitting and the embroidery and craftsmanship, and she will treat them nicely with love and tea and coffee and biscuits, and the party is going on. That is the secret for 100 years. Because unless there is a purpose in life, longevity means nothing. So longevity, you don't want only longevity in a lifespan, you want a health span. And Mama has a health span and lifespan, so every year up to today, she is contributing, she is participating, she is giving, and she is living a full life. So these are the secrets. The third or more secret is that she has no bad qualities. I have never seen her doing jealousy, gossiping, telling anything bad about anybody. No, never ever in conflict. Otherwise you will know, even your parents, you will find that, such and such doesn't get along with these and so on. Nothing with the mama. So these are the top secrets. We will ask her to tell her secrets, but as an observer so closely, I find that she is great and she has done that. And she has followed the scriptures without even claiming that I'm the authority on the scriptures. So whatever is the highest teaching of Lord Krishna, she has put it in practice. So in highest teaching of Lord Krishna, practical teaching, yatam prabhuttir bhutanam ena sarvamidam tatam swakarmana tam abhyascha siddhim vinnanti manava. Swakarmana tam abhyascha. through your own field of activities or gift that you receive from God, giving those karmas or participating in that to Lord as an offering, you can be attain the ultimate. And Baba has done that and offering to the God. God doesn't need anything. So when God says offering to me, that means offering to my creation. My creation means you, me, everybody, and the nature. So taking care of that, you get perfection. Even if you don't go for one day in a temple, you are fine. So with that big, long explanation for her longevity, health, and joy, we will ask Baba at the end to tell the true secrets. And thank you very much for all of you to attend. And there is a little book that I wrote out of, I'm a student of Gita for 31 years. This is my second language. So I used to call this is medical hand and this is my spiritual hand. And now both hands are spiritual. So I want you to take this and enjoy. Most of you will like it, and